ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఇందాక సింపుల్ ప్రజెంట్ టెన్స్ తీసుకున్నాం, ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ తీసుకున్నాం. ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్లో వాక్యం ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే సెంటెన్స్, రామా ఈజ్ ప్లేయింగ్ క్రికెట్ మీన్స్ యాక్షన్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ హియర్. సో వీ యూజ్ ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. హియర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ రామా, ఈజ్ ప్లేయింగ్ వర్బ్ and object is cricket. Who is playing? Subject Rama. What is he playing? Cricket. Cricket he is playing. What is he doing? He is playing. So these are the questions you have to question yourself, and then another question you have to put yourself is playing verb. In which tense the verb is? The verb is in ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. వర్బ్ ఏ టెన్స్లో ఉంది మనకి? ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్లో ఉంది. ప్రజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్లో వెర్బ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా చేంజ్ అవుతుంది? ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్లో ఈజ్ ప్లేయింగ్ చేంజెస్ యాజ్ ఈజ్ ఆర్ ఆర్ ప్లస్ బీయింగ్ ప్లస్ V3. ఆర్ ఎందుకు వాడాం? మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా, ఆర్ ఎందుకు వాడుతున్నాం? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లూరల్ నంబర్లో ఉంటేనే ఆర్ వాడాలి, అదే సింగులర్ నంబర్లో ఉంటే ఈజ్ వాడాలి. అదొకటి బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఆ తర్వాత ఎలా మారుతుంది అది? ఇప్పుడు మనం క్రికెట్ని ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కాబట్టి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ని ముందుకు తీసుకురావాలి, ఎందుకంటే ఇది కర్మణి వాక్యం అంటే ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ప్రధానంగా ఉంటుంది, మనం ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్కి ఇస్తున్నాం ఇప్పుడు. కాబట్టి క్రికెట్ ఈజ్ బీయింగ్ ప్లేడ్ బై రామా. ఈజ్ బీయింగ్ ప్లేడ్ బై రామా. ఆల్వేస్ ఇన్ ప్యాసివ్ వాయిస్ verb should be V3. Verb should be V3 always. It should not be changed. Next, once again, this is which tense? This is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense means when action is going on, we use present continuous tense. What is the action going on? Is playing. What is he playing? Cricket. Who is playing? Rama. All these questions you have to put yourself. Verb is in present continuous tense. How to change that into passive verb? Is playing changes as is or are being plus V3. And next, how to change it into passive verb? Passive verb, when you are changing the active verb into passive verb, we have to give the importance to the object. Object should be brought into the front. Cricket is being played by Rama. That is the present continuous tense. Now, next third one, present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, Rama has made a kite. You might have known the table of these tenses, categories of present, simple present tense. Third category is perfect tense. So the verb is in perfect tense, present perfect tense. So how to change it into passive verb? Here you have to put yourself. Here also subject Rama, verb is has made, and object is kite, a kite. Verb is in present perfect tense. How to change it into passive verb? Has or have. Here also, when the verb is in plural number, we have to use have. When the verb is in singular number, we have to use has. Here, a kite. Kite singular number, plural number, it is in singular number. So, has or have plus been plus V3. Then, how to change this into passive voice? A kite has been made by Rama. తెలుగులో ఇందాక చెప్పుకున్నాం కర్తరి వాక్యము, రాముడు పాఠము చదివెను. పాఠము రాముని చేత చదవబడెను. చేత, బై. చేత అనేది ప్రిపోజిషన్ ఇక్కడ వాడాలి మనం. ఆ ప్రిపోజిషన్ అనేది మనం వాడాలి. అక్కడ బై అనేది వాడాలి. బై ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? చేత అనేది. కాబట్టి ఏ కైట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ మేడ్ బై రామ. ప్రిపోజిషన్స్ ఆల్సో ఓన్లీ బై we use in this change of voice, we use by. But here every time you have to put the questions always, then only the sentence will be written in the correct sense. Correct formation you can form the sentence. If you do not put the questions yourself, and if you are in hurry to change the voice, it may go wrong. That is why always be alert and be careful in changing the voice from active voice to passive voice. Active voice, if the active verb is in, object is in singular number, we use is, or, and when it is in plural number, we use are. If it is perfect tense, has, have, we use has and have. When we use have, when the object is in plural number, we use have. When the object is in singular number, we use has. Has or have plus been, not being. When should we use being? In present continuous tense only we use being here. Present continuous tense we use here being. But in perfect tense we use been. That is the difference. Being, been. When should we use being? In continuous tense, present continuous tense. When should we use been? Present perfect tense we use been. This is the way of changing the voice act from active voice to passive voice. Voice means only the change of verb is very important while changing from active verb to passive verb. Very, very important. Verb is very, very important in this. Whether the verb is in which tense, we have to question ourselves. Whether it is in present tense or continuous tense or perfect tense. But perfect continuous tense cannot be changed into passive voice. Only 3 categories we can change them into passive voice. 4th category, present perfect continuous tense, we cannot change it into passive voice. So, please try to understand this and remember this. If you listen to this lesson, you can remember. If you hear this lesson, you cannot remember. There is much difference in hearing and listening. Hear means it goes up to your ear only. Listening means it goes to your mind, it reaches your mind. That is the difference between hearing and listening. If you listen to this lesson, it will be remembered forever, because all that human beings, our human mind is very powerful. That is why if you take it into your mind, it reaches you. If it reaches your mind, it will never be forgotten, like the writings on the leaves which were written by our Kavitrayamu. So many people, they have written all their writings on the palm leaves. Even today, they will not be wiped off. They never be wiped off, because it is very strong-mindedness. Their strong-mindedness made them to write and preserve them for future generations. Like that, we also have to listen the lessons carefully and remember them forever. And bless me. And if you like it, I will be very grateful to you and thankful to you. Thank you.